Hey, I'd like to show my new Max for Live device called Multiband Sender. The main idea of this device is to send signal beside main sends or even when we haven't any. Also, it's possible to put device wherever we want in the fixed chain, which allows us to make some interesting things. Here we have some bass using operators. Drag multiband device on this channel and choose destination for the output signal. It is possible to choose audio tracks, send channels or even external outs. If routing to audio track, don't forget to switch monitor to in. It's possible to choose range of frequencies that will pass to the destination. Now let's see and hear some setup for this sound. Also, it's possible to mute sound that passes through device. Thanks for watching and have fun creating with this device. Also, don't forget to like and share. Hope this video was helpful for you. Have a good time.